This is the sonic toothbrush. It has floor intensity, 6 time settings, 72 modes, Bluetooth with loudspeaker, water resistant, 60-day battery life, motor for 2000 RPM. Here I'm going to do the unboxing. And you get a free ocean mount, quick guide, user manual, charging stand, toothbrush case, sonic toothbrush. The unit takes 3.5 hours for a full charge, 60-day battery, easy to remove toothbrush head, floor intensity settings, here I'm doing the setup, so I just went to Android, download the app, some permissions, chose English, first thing you're going to want to do is register or make an account. So you provide your email address, password. I'm a first time user. Put your date of birth. Next, pick male or female. Tooth type, normal, smoke, orthodontics, deformed teeth, habit, no habit smoking, drink tea, drink wine, drink coffee, current teeth color, some more permissions. Here I'm connecting the Bluetooth. That's my individual Bluetooth ID. So here I'm going to go through the settings. This is a shop, which is coming soon. Here's custom voice. Change the volume, low, medium, high, or max. Default audio, personal audio. Here we have the voice reminder. Add a remind. You can set the date. Here's some more information about oral care. Here's my device. Do the firmware upgrade. Here we're looking at facts. Here's a schedule. And a score. Here we have plan, which is gum care. Start cleaning, strong cleaning, standard cleaning, sensitive cleaning. And there's quite a bit to choose from. Custom plan. Name it. Type of prompt, vibration, or audio. You set the brushing time, levels. Again, this is the plan. And so you could choose many different beyond the first part that I showed you. If you have braces or start cleaning, robust whitening, there's just a lot of selections. Now with each one, it also pretty much goes along with the toothbrush when you're brushing, the vibration, the strength, and everything. I'm just going to go through some more information. You could check by date, how many times you brush, how long. Pretty much is extremely detailed app. Sensitivity or what type of mode, just pretty much everything. It's a great database for all your toothbrushing needs. The app works extremely well. It's extremely responsive. Overall, this is the best toothbrush I've used. The app is extremely detailed and has a lot of data. Hope this video helps you in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.